area of trapezoid ABCD is 164 centimeters squared. The altitude is 8 centimeters, AB is 10 centimeters, and CD is 17 centimeters. What is BC in centimeters? So as we all know, the area of a trapezoid is A plus B over 2 times the height. But in case you forget the formula, I'll show you another way, and that uses the Pythagorean theorem. So it says the altitude is 8, so we can slice the figure into 2 triangles and 1 rectangle. And the height of both triangles is 8, since it's both the altitude of the trapezoid. And then first we're going to find the length of this side, which is lowercase a, since we don't know what it is. And if we find this side, we have a triangle. So the hypotenuse is 10. So we have 10 squared equals 8 squared plus lowercase a squared. So we can have a squared equals 10 squared minus 8 squared. And this is a difference of squares, so we can write a squared equals 10 plus 8 times 10 minus 8. So a squared equals 18 times 2. So a squared is 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. So this side is 6. And then the side of this figure is x, since we don't know what it is. And then the length of this figure is b, since we also don't know what it is. And we can write b squared plus 8 squared equals 17 squared. And if we solve for b squared, we get b squared equals 17 squared minus 8 squared. So b squared is going to be 17 plus 8 times 17 minus 8, since it's also a difference of squares. So b squared equals 25 times 9. So b is going to be the root of 25 times 9, which is 5 times 3. So b is 15. So the length of this triangle is 15. And then it says the area of the trapezoid is 164 centimeters squared. So if we add up all the area of the figures inside the trapezoid, and we can set that equal to 264 and find the missing side, which is x. So the area of the first triangle is half times base times height, so it's 6 times 8, plus the area of the second figure, which is 8 times x, or 8x, plus the area of the last triangle, which is the height of 8 and the base of 25. So we have half times 15 times 8, and that equals 164. So we have half times 6 times 8, so it's 24, plus 8x, plus half times 8 is 4, so 4 times 15 is 60, equals 164. So 8x equals 164 minus 84. So 8x equals 80, and x equals 10. So the length of this side is 10. And that's the length of BC. So the answer is 10.